Good morning, Assalamu alaikum, namaste. How's everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Right, today is a very important day. I'm going to join TRF. Now you're going to ask me, what is TRF? Right, TRF is an organization which takes the bikers through the illegal routes. I mean through the green lines. Now you're going to ask me, what is green lines? The green line is, in the past, we used to travel through farmers' lands, through the villages from the private paths. But now, since the roads have been built up, motorways and A4 roads, we can't use them anymore. It's illegal. So the main part of TRF comes here. They get the legal permission from the councils to go right through these paths. Only the permitted people could go through these paths. Yeah, I'm looking forward for a fun day, man. Fun day. Hey, wait, let me go. I'm waiting for everybody to turn up. I'm a bit early, like 9. It's 9 o'clock now. And the session starts at 10. But I don't know where it starts from. I have no clue. So I'm just waiting here. A beautiful day and a beautiful place to visit. I have never been here before, so I'm glad I've come here.
Yeah, enjoy yourself, stay safe, and if you need any help with anything, just shout.
No, I better go back if it's like this.
Yeah, it will be.
It's going to be like
Yeah, I couldn't control myself when I was like...
because it's road tires.
Yeah.
That's the tyres, unfortunately.
First bit of mud, it just...
No, I thought it's on L plate, so we will just go on straight roads, you know?
Ah, okay. You thought it was like a road ride, just
Yeah.
for learners. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. Could someone take me back? I mean,
Yeah, I'll help.
Yeah, we can help you.
To go back.
yeah. Alright, thanks. Oh gosh.
I'll help you. It's fine. I'll help you.
Oh, thanks. Oh gosh.
That's all right. Now, when you get to the road, you just need to be careful with the mud on the tires.
Oh, can someone take me to the parking?
Sorry?
Can someone take me to the parking?
I don't know my way from here.
Yeah, well, I can do.
Yeah, if you could just drop me, because I don't know the way. Oh, thank you, yeah. Thanks, Mike.
No worries.
Right, this is the place where I fell off. You see here? This. Murder. Oh no, this, sorry, this. This is where the murder took place. Yeah, good.
So, problems?
Just bad tires.
Sorry?
She thought it was a road ride for learners.
Okay,
So
I
as soon
fell
as
off.
she got mud,
okay.
So
So what would you like to do now?
I need to go back then,
Okay,
because if it's all this way,
yeah,
and I'm not experienced, I thought we are gonna go on the straight roads
okay,
and explore the place. But if it's this kind of roads, no,
okay.
I'm not
Are
happy
you
with it.
alright getting back?
Well, if someone could, I think he's gonna guide me.
Are you, yeah?
I can say, yeah, just
Okay, because can you start your bike?
Yeah.
Okay,
you need to be careful with your tires for a bit. Don't lean too quick until they're clean, okay? Because they're going to be very slippery now.
are you okay, Vitas? I'll come and, have you got my number?
I don't.
just go straight and left. Straight now.
Oh my God. I am going home. Oh my God. Thank you.
No
I
worries.
appreciate. Thank
Shall I
you.
help you to put it in the van?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You will be running late.
Oh, yeah. Do you need help? I can
Yeah,
help
yeah.
you. Yeah.
It's too muddy. Okay, the bike is strapped properly. Looks all right. Right, all the excitement is finished. I don't know, we went on the muddy track. The first muddy track, my bike was slipped over and I fell off. And all the fun was finished. I hurt my leg a little bit, but it's okay. Then everybody started asking me, are you sure you want to continue? Because all the tracks will be same like this, or maybe bigger, worse than this. So I said, no, I think I'll go back because I'm not trained on these tracks. I thought we're going to go on the straight roads just to have fun day out, you know. But these are for expert peoples. And everybody was saying, no, they have come there first time. But their bikes, you have seen their bikes were so big. And obviously for these tracks, I mean sports tracks, I don't know. Trust me guys, I have stopped these cameras for 2-3 times. I've been crying now. Failed. I have failed in my mission. But at least I have tried. Right? At least I have tried. I've given it a try. All this way I brought my bike with me and I was so much enthusiastic. But I couldn't do it. I mean, I think you fail in your life and then you try again and again and again. Yeah, never mind. Next time. And hopefully it will be a better ride next time. I don't know what to say. Well, everybody was saying because your bike is roadworthy, not for this track. And the TRF, I told them I have small monkey bike. The instructor who took me, he should have judged that this bike is not good for these tracks And I told him in advance, before I go on these tracks, that I just got this license 4 weeks ago. I mean, all these things indicates that I was not experienced to run on these tracks. But still, I mean, he took me on these tracks. I'm so exhausted at this moment. I don't know. I like to hit somebody now. Oh my God. Right. I'm gonna just quit my day here.